Happy New Year, guys. You made it to 2023. I mean, look at you. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Faith. I'm an HR professional and event host based in Toronto, Canada. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. Please do not go without using that cute little button down below. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. So when I post a new video, you will be the first to know. As you can see, I'm all smiles in this video because, I think I am just grateful that we got to see the end of 2022. And today is January 1st, 2023. I mean, it's giving, I mean, the year is already giving, even though it's day one. Anyway, guys, so yeah, this video is really just about me talking about 2022 and what to look out for in 2023. I have my buddy here, so I'm just gonna go through a couple of things. I hope your 2022 was memorable. Look, hey, there might have been challenges, there might have been things that you set for yourself, goals that you set that you were not able to achieve, but hey, don't worry about it. You try again next year. It is what it is. Do what you can do, work hard, pray, put in all the positive energy into everything you're doing, and you'll see how things will turn around. Okay, enough about that. So now for my 2022, I think it was a pretty good year. Of course, there were things that I set to achieve for myself that I didn't. Bummer. But hey, like I said, we move, Abby. So 2022, what really, really happened? I'm just going to mention a few milestones that happened for me personally. So in 2022, I did my graduation or my convocation from Sheridan College. I studied a postgraduate course in human resources, and I'm going to try and put some pictures up on the screen just so you see how cute I looked in my gown. Anyway, and then we hit, a big milestone, 5K subscribers on YouTube. Thanks to you guys. I'm sure we're probably on like 5.7, 5.8-ish now. So I just want to say thank you. I couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for liking my videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for being my biggest champions. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Then I got monetized on YouTube as well this year. So yeah, it was really, really interesting. YouTube, but they have voila. They have voila for anybody that is upcoming in YouTube. You will sweat like this. But anyway, don't worry, your path doesn't have to be as rough as mine. But the point is, there are just a lot of hoops, hurdles that you have to cross before you actually get that money in your account. But at the end of the day, we move. But that happened in 2022. I took my first trip outside outside my location, outside Ontario in 2022, because COVID was just not it. So a lot of traveling was halted. So at least I was glad that I was able to go out of the province, to see other human beings outside this province. So that was fun. So next, what happened? I got my first endorsement deal with a company called Ana Luisa. They make beautiful, beautiful jewelry. It was so good the first time that they had to call me back. You trust your girl now. Anyway, so I got to do another YouTube mention for them in the second half of 2022. I'm going to link both videos here, so make sure you check them out. It was really good. And for 2023, of course, just looking forward to more deals and all of that. So yeah, that was fun. And then I changed jobs this year. Look, it was really a big milestone for me this year because I think, I'm not going to talk too much about that. Maybe I will do another video where I will tell you all about like my journey. But hey, I'm still in HR. I'm still an HR business partner. But yeah, just in a different industry. I've joined my colleagues in the tech industry. So yeah, so that was really good. That was a big milestone for me. And yeah, I loved the company I was with before, and I still love the company that I'm with now. So look, it's just been an amazing journey. And then I made more friends in 2023. I expanded my network a bit more. Look, no man is an island. And when you come to Canada, you understand that, you can't isolate yourself. You need people. The people are the ones that really make living here worth it, right? So I expanded my network. I'm grateful for the friends that I made, grateful for, the acquaintances, grateful for, in quotes, business associates, if you want to call them that. So yeah, overall, those were some of the milestones. A couple of more other things happened, but I don't want to make this video very long. So I'm just going to pause there and leave it there. So now, what are we looking at for 2023? Now, the first thing on my list is really to grow my subscriber count. And this is where I need you. This is where I need you guys, because 2023, I'm looking to really expand. Hey, to be honest, in 2023, I didn't really set out to hit 5K subscribers. My goal was actually less than that. But, it was quite amazing that I was able to surpass my goal, and I'm still growing even as we speak. But this is where I need you. So guys, please share my videos, please like my videos, please comment, drop the links in WhatsApp groups you belong to, put them on your stories, put them on your WhatsApp status, Facebook, Instagram. Just keep sharing, please. That is where I need you guys. I know that I usually get feedback saying that the content is good, but hey, if nobody gets to see it, then you ain't going nowhere, right? So this is where I need you guys, and I know I have my family behind me, so I trust that you guys will support me. I think the other thing as well is, I'm looking to also, diversify my content a bit more, so you'll get to see a different side of things. It's not just immigration or HR, because really this is a one-stop shop. So you're going to be seeing a whole lot more. I would encourage you to just engage with any content that I put out there. It might not necessarily be your thing, but hey, because you love me, I appreciate it if you can still engage the content the way you do whatever it is that you actually like watching. So anyway, that's going to happen as well. And then more endorsement deals. So if you know anybody who is looking to scale their business of any sort, look, I've got the right tools to help them. So please make sure that you connect them with me, whether it's a YouTube mention. Well, more of YouTube mentions for now. I'm growing my Instagram, so that is also going to happen as well. But hey, if they need YouTube mentions, if they need ads, if they need, whatever it is, product marketing, I'm the girl for the job. So I'm looking forward to more endorsement deals in 2023, no matter which country, anywhere, Sudan, everywhere, in Africa, North America, everywhere I can do whatever it is, because it's, it's a global village after all. Anyway, so that's what I'm looking forward to in 2023. And then the final part will also be about, my event hosting. And I know that, I don't talk too much about this aspect, but as I always introduce myself, I'm also an event host. So whether it's birthday parties or weddings or or just events in general, I'm your girl for that as well. So if you know anybody who is looking at doing any of those, or if there's any opportunity that comes your way, please make sure that you hook me up. You have my email address. It's always in the description box. You have my Instagram page as well. If you want to shoot me a message in my DMs or in my comment section, please feel free to do that. And I think really that's what this video is all about. I think what I really wanted to say, which I already said part of it at the beginning, is thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't take the love for granted. I don't take, the comments, the feedback. I don't take any of it for granted. I might not respond to every comment or every email that comes my way. I try my best to, but sometimes it's not easy. I'm only human. But hey, I just want you to know that I really appreciate you, and I wouldn't be here without you guys. I'm amazed at how well we've grown from, 100 subscribers to where we are now. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And also I want to mention that for 2023, let me know what sort of content that you want to see. please drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you're looking at. If you have any ideas or if there are things that you want to see more from me, please try to drop them in the comment section, or if you want to send me an email, that's fine as well. I look forward to your feedback. I look forward to your comments. I always enjoy engaging with you guys. So thank you for making my 2022 memorable, and I wish you all the best in 2023. Hey, if you're looking to immigrate to Canada, now is the time. Now is the time. Today is January 1st. Make sure that you get on it. I have loads of videos that you can engage, things, different pathways that you can take to relocating to Canada. Don't give up. If I could get here, then you certainly can. Okay? If you're looking to change jobs, you're looking to switch careers, whatever it is, now is the time. Okay? So thank you guys once again, and I love each and every one of you. Have an amazing 2023, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah! Big kisses for you.